because we got an altercation there last time.
Okay.
Can you come talk to me? Listen.
Yep. Just want to stand over there for me. I got more officers coming.
They told me to get out.
Okay.
You're not even lying.
No, I'm listening. Let's go.
But you're walking away from me, sir.
I'm listening. I gotta make sure they're good over there.
We got into altercation here last time. We were already in there.
Okay.
We got over to we were already in there. Then the guy who owns it said security told you to get out. So I'm getting out. I'm waiting for my friend. I'm saying y'all being racist because y'all the only one that called me out. They didn't call my other friend out, and she's Hispanic and she looks white, and they only called me out, and I had a problem with that.
Yeah.
And then he want to call the police, talking about I'm touching him. I touched his phone because I said I want to talk to the police too.
Okay.
Because that's not fair, and she's still up in there. They keep letting her go back in, but I can't go back in. She's talking about she's looking for a sweater. She left it in there. They won't let me go back in there because they're being weird. But they let her go back in.
Okay.
Yes, but they let her go back in.
Okay.
Because I'm black and she's not. I don't. That's weird.
Yeah.
They try to tell me I'm drunk, but I'm not. I'm perfectly sober. I can walk in a straight line right now, sir. Yeah, I got you. They're over there. And I feel like that's weird because we already got to. And then he said security told you to get out. We were in there for about 20 minutes.
Yeah.
And then he's talking about security told you got to get out because his girlfriend is the one that we got to altercation with before.
Yeah.
So of course he's gonna protect his girlfriend. And I'm like, well, that's weird. And then both of the securities, the white one and the Mexican one, told me I gotta get out. But my other friend was able to go in and out of there.
So,
and I felt like that was weird because I'm black and my friend's Akeem, the only other black one in there, and that's weird.
Okay, so hear me out for a second, okay?
I'm hearing you.
Yeah, I got you. Okay, so correct me if I'm wrong. So I'm gonna tell you what you told me back.
And they're coked out in there, and they think that's cool.
So I'm gonna reiterate what you told me, and then you kind of fill in the gaps, or you take away anything. So you guys were partying here.
Mm-hmm. No, we were partying here first, and then we moved.
You were.
It was cool. Everything was fine.
Everything was fine. And then they went.
And the security saw us walk in there.
Yeah, so security saw you walk in there. And then what happens? When
it was like 20 minutes later, and the guy came up to me and was like, the one who owns there was like, security told you gotta go. I'm like, why didn't they tell me that when I first walked in? Because they saw me.
So this is the overarching thing.
And I'm the only one who got told that. My other friend did not get told that until I got told that.
Okay. So this is the big. So I got the other officer talking with him. I'm gonna be talking with everyone to kind of make sure everything's all good.
I don't really care. I just want to go home, and they keep letting her in and out, but I can't even go in because that security guy won't let me in, but he keeps letting her in.
So
which is weird to me.
Okay.
Is that not weird?
No. So here's the thing. This is the big overarching thing right now. It's their apartment.
Okay, but the shit they doing illegal as hell, and y'all not giving no fuck. They can do coke in there. Ain't coke illegal, sir?
Coke is illegal. That is correct.
Okay, and that's what they doing in there.
Okay. So unfortunately, I can't go in there without a warrant.
Get a warrant.
I can't go in there without a warrant.
Get one.
Here's the thing, and if they don't want you in there.
Okay, but the problem is. Okay, they don't have to let me in there. They can kick me out, but the other person who was in the fight, they still let stay in there and go in and out. And she's the one who started the shit.
Hear me out. I know
and the security racist as fuck. I don't get no fuck.
Okay, so this.
I'm done talking. I told you what happened.
Yeah, so
I don't need to keep repeating myself. And y'all gonna believe the security over shit. I don't give no fuck. I'm tired of talking about it.
This is why I'm talking with you, okay?
I already told you what happened, though.
And then I'm reiterating the story because I need you to fill in everything that doesn't really make sense to me, okay?
What don't make sense?
Because I'm trying to get us on the same page.
Okay, what don't make sense? I'm trying
to get on the same page here. So you're telling me that they told the other girl to go?
No, they didn't.
They didn't. Okay.
Till I said something.
With the fight. So now
that fight happened a month ago.
A month ago?
Damn near.
There was no fight that happened tonight?
No.
Okay. Monkey, did you go talk to the other security guard?
I don't care. The security guards are racist. I don't get no fuck what they say. They gonna say shit against me because I don't live here.
Okay.
That Mexican ass bitch right there. I was trying to talk. I don't care.
I know, but here's the thing. You don't. You don't want to be causing a scene with everyone.
I am because y'all not listening to me because y'all not going to do nothing. Because the last time we got into an altercation, y'all didn't do nothing.
What am I doing right now? I'm listening.
You're okay, but you're not listening for real.
Did anyone put hands on you?
No, that fight didn't happen.
It happened a month ago. It happened a month ago.
Yes.
So,
we already talked about it.
Yeah.
Nothing happened.
Yeah. So nothing happened.
We pressed charges and everything. Nothing ever happened.
Nothing ever happened with that. Was it at this apartment?
Yes.
That happened at? Okay.
We went back because we were like, okay, cool. No.
Everything's cool now, right?
Yes, I thought so, but then he told about security told you to leave. Why'd they tell me to leave when they see me walking in? They should have said, no, you can't come in when I was walking in, but they didn't say nothing to me.
So, like I said, we're gonna be talking with them, and here's the thing: as long as they're like you're good to go, you can head out. They don't have no saying shit because the people in there doing coke and everything, and they're not saying nothing. And I know it's super unfortunate, but like I told you, there's nothing we can do.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
Because they said something about an incident happened like a month ago.
It's like a couple weeks ago. Yeah. Both of them were involved, plus another few.
Gotcha.
They basically just
Gotcha.
Tell him I'm here.
What's up, man?
Yeah, what's up? We gotta talk to him.
Anyway,
there is a problem here. Security called us.
So there was a fight a few weeks ago. They were involved. Me and one of the other residents here recognized them.
Yeah.
And they were like, and I was like, "What do you want to do?" Like,
yeah.
Like if you
Well, why didn't you say that when we walked in?
Wait, did you say that there was still?
I don't know where it is, but they kept letting her in and out, but they wouldn't let me in.
Okay. Do you have any? Of
No,
your
I don't. But that's not
okay.
the point. The point is she never left her sweater in there, and they kept letting her in and out. And he's drunk, and he called me a bitch.
So here's the thing.
He tried to put hands on me, so you need to arrest him.
He didn't try to put hands.
Yes, he did. You weirdo. You're a racist ass bitch. I don't care.
Listen,
y'all try.
If you keep talking like that,
I'm talking to the police. You can have me banned. I don't get no. But at the same time, y'all getting on the wrong people. Y'all trying to tell me I'm the bad guy. When you see him cursing me out, but he kept talking to me. But wasn't he calling me a bitch though? Okay, but then you need to ban him. Okay, because he called me a bitch. I don't get no. He's drunk.
We on church.
He's drunk. No, I'm trespassing. He drunk, and I'm trespassing.
I can tell.
But they let me in that bitch with your drunk ass.
You outside now.
Look at him. You bitch, don't.
Just get back inside,
Well,
man.
get your ass because you drunk and say, you see he drunk.
I got you, man. Just make...
Did you say you recognize her?
Ma'am, I'm going to explain the legal justification to you.
I don't
Security
get no...
That's it.
Okay, but at the same time, they said that she was here first, and they kept letting her in and
None
out.
of that matters.
Y'all are racist as fuck, and I'm going to tell.
Perfect.
Y'all are racist
you
as
still have to
hell.
leave the property.
Okay, let me take a video of you, sir. No, I don't get no fuck. I don't get no fuck. Y'all are racist as hell. Because when I pressed charges, y'all didn't do shit.
I had nothing to do with
Y'all didn't go back and say nothing.
Okay,
y'all let them do whatever they want to do. And y'all let them do coke in that bitch. Okay, arrest me then.
Okay. If you're refusing to leave, that's fine.
I'll leave. Stop.
Let me leave.
Let me leave!
Stop.
Let me fucking leave!
You're done.
No,
We've been asking you to leave for 20 minutes.
No, you have not!
Yes, I have. Put your hands behind your back.
Let me fucking leave! Stop!
Go to ground.
You gotta back up.
Let me fucking leave!
Knock that shit off.
Come on. You got that off. We'll get it. We'll get it.
Y'all are racist. I'm suing y'all ass. Oh my dick, I'm suing y'all. Y'all don't fucking...
Stop. You did this to yourself. Come on now.
Oh no, I did it to myself. Bet. I'm suing y'all ass. I'm suing y'all. Don't worry about it. I'm suing y'all. Don't worry about it. But y'all not gonna ask her to leave because she was in it too. Ask her to leave.
Ace's nice one comes
Go ahead and let go of this.
Can you pull my fucking shirt up?
Can I have your friend do it for you?
No, because why can't she leave? She was.
I'm talking about pulling your shirt up.
Listen to me. She was in the same other kitchen I was in. Was she not trespassing?
Roll her on your side.
Let's go. Y'all
That's
racist.
just fine.
Normal. Stop touching me. I don't know, because why did she arrested? No. No. To me. Because you not arrested. You did the same shit I did.
Nope.
Don't worry about it, because y'all racist. Why is she arrested? She's still on the property. She was involved in the fight. Why is she still here?
You didn't leave.
Okay, she didn't either. So arrest her too.
Are these yours?
No, arrest her too. Arrest her too, because she was in it too.
All right.
Oh, I'm getting y'all. Don't close the door on me.
What do you need?
She was in the fight too, and y'all not telling her to leave.
Doesn't have anything to do with it.
So
you were
what's
just
this?
told to leave because
And I was
security
good.
asked you to
I
leave.
want to leave with my friend.
Okay,
you
listen
can't.
to me.
But
Listen
I don't
for a
want to leave by myself. I don't want to leave her by herself. She don't know nobody here.
I explained to you you were legally required to leave or you would
Okay,
be
but
arrested.
I didn't want to leave without my friend.
You don't get that choice.
But I don't want to leave. I don't know where I'm going.
You didn't say any of that. I said...
I'm
like,
telling you
listen,
this now, sir.
When I explained that you're going to get arrested if you don't leave, you said, then arrest me.
Okay,
That's
because
you not listening.
she's doing the
You're
same
required
thing.
by law to leave.
Sir, but is she not?
She is not. Security did
what
not
is-
tell us that she needed to leave.
But
They said
security
you
did
needed to
not
leave.
tell me though. They didn't tell me
Security
that to
told
my
us
face.
and I told you
but
to
they
your
need
face.
to tell me to
No,
my
they
face.
don't. I do.
Okay, but can I leave then?
No.
Why are you arresting me?
Well, now because of the kicking, aggravated battery, so you get a felony.
So now I'm aggravated battery?
Yeah, absolutely.
Really? Because y'all were putting me on the fucking ground.
Because you were resisting.
No, I was not. I said that I was
What do you
gonna
call that?
leave. Sir, I said I'm gonna leave. I swear to God, sir,
You
I'm
did not
a
say
kid.
you said
sir, I said
arrest me.
arrest me because I didn't do nothing wrong.
By being on the property, you were doing something wrong.
No, okay, because they didn't tell me to leave till I was in there.
I did.
Sir, but I wasn't gonna leave without my friend. I don't want her to be by
don't get that
herself.
choice.
What do you mean I don't get that?
When
But she gets to
when the
stay.
police tell you have to
But she
leave,
gets
it's
to stay.
trespassing.
Why did you tell her to stay? Why did you tell her to leave?
Because
then?
security is the
They
one who
told me
decided.
and her both to leave.
They told me, they told you.
So they didn't tell her because she was involved
one
in the
has
fight.
told me
They
anything
came
about her.
up.
This is her phone.
Her phone?
I didn't do nothing.
This your phone?
Yes, give me my phone,
This
please.
is coming with us to the jail.
I'm in the, no, don't close the
Do
door.
not put your leg in the door.
Okay, but I want to say something.
What do you want to say?
I got in there, okay? They told me to leave. I left. But
You are here.
can I talk, please, sir?
No.
I have a right to talk. That's my right. You didn't give me you didn't give me no rights. You
your
didn't read my rights.
I don't have to read
fucking-
your rights. Injuries at all?
No, she kicked me, but I'm fine.
Okay. I believe we all got kicked. We'll worry about the victims on their report and stuff.
I'll get all their names and stuff. So I'm just reading it initially, so.
That works.
Okay. Do you need anything else?
Nope, just security's name should be good.
I swear to God. I swear to God, I'm suing y'all racist as fuck. Y'all get no fuck about black people because my friend didn't get arrested though, and they kicked her out though. You listening to me?
I already explained that to you.
Before. That was not right. You ain't have to do all of that.
Yep.
No, you fucking didn't. Don't worry about it. I'm suing the fuck out of y'all.
You have
Bet I
that
get
right.
money. Bet I get money. Bet I get fucking money. Take me to the jail. Come on.
That's where we're going.
But y'all not gonna arrest her because she's still on the property and she got kicked out.
I've already explained that to
Okay,
you.
but what? No, you didn't.
Security,
You know, I was kicking. That's a felony.
security
Don't
did
worry
not.
about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Be quiet. Don't
Perfect.
Worry about it. Y'all wrong as fuck. And y'all racist as hell. And don't worry about it. I'm getting this story out. Okay? Cause y'all wanna pin me down to the ground? Three officers though? You needed 3 officers to pin me, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Why you needed 3 officers?
That's how many we had.
No, but y'all you didn't need 3 officers. One person could have arrested me. You didn't need 3 officers to pin me fucking down. That's legal?
That is legal 100%.
You didn't need 3 officers to pin me down. I weigh less than 150. You didn't need 3 officers. I know my rights. You didn't read me my rights, so I'm free to go. And don't worry about it. You didn't say you didn't have the right to remain silent. You didn't say none of that. And I swear to God, you ain't say that.
If we didn't advise, we had one in custody 5 minutes ago.
No, you did not.
I'll be
advise me.
95,
You
2
didn't say
county,
you have
1
the
adult
right to remain
female, starting
silent.
0.
Anything you do can say it being held against you and just you did not say that. And I swear to God, you didn't say that.
You are correct. I have not read you your rights.
You have no right to detain me if you didn't say that.
That is not how your rights
That's
work.
how the law works. You didn't say you have a right to remain silent, so then I'm free to let go. You didn't say that.
Tenfold.
You didn't say that. You just pinned me down to the ground. You didn't say you have the right to remain silent. So therefore, I'm free to go. And you know you didn't say that because you just admitted
Yes, because that's not how it works.
That's how the law works. If you don't say that, then I'm free to go.
No, that is not correct.
You didn't give me my rights. You didn't give me my rights.
That is only if I wish to ask you questions while you're in custody.
That's how the law works. Did you go to school?
Yep,
Okay, make sure you say the same thing when we get to the office.
I will.
Now make sure I'm gonna tell you. I don't. You didn't read me my rights. If you don't read me my rights, then I can't be arrested. That's how it is. That's law. So I'm gonna be free to go because you didn't read me my rights. Her talking about security told you to tell me to leave, but didn't tell her to leave, so she could have stayed, right? Let me out.
Calm down.
I'm calm, but you weird, you racist. Where you from?
Here.
Exactly, racist ass. I'm not giving you none of my information because you have no right. You didn't read me my rights, so therefore I don't have to read you shit. Can you let me out?
Nope.
Okay, bet. I don't feel comfortable with you. Let me out.
It's okay, some other officers are coming.
Okay, let the other officers come, but I don't feel comfortable.
They are. Hello. Hopefully, different people will make it go better. I have no clue. She will not provide any information.
She did not give me my rights. Okay, but he didn't give me my rights. Okay, but he didn't give me my rights, and therefore I cannot be arrested. That is true. So if he didn't give me my rights, I can't be arrested. How?
Because you're not taking questions right now.
So what are you arresting me for?
I'm not sure what are her charges.
Criminal trespass and aggravated battery.